Here we go. Let's take a peek inside. Well, hi everyone, Miss Sue here. Today I have an unboxing for you from Amazon. This is something that I bought on Prime Day. I had my eye on it for a while. It is Preschool Letters Activity Set. It's from Learning Resources. And I picked it up on Prime Day for about $10. And it's just been sitting here waiting for me to open it up, and I thought it'd be fun to open it up with you guys. So here we go. Let's take a peek inside. All right, here is the front. Preschool Letters Activity Set. And here's the back. Kind of shows you an overview of everything in here, and it's got this cute little handle on the box. So if you wanted to, you know, store everything in here, that's kind of handy. All right, let's see what's inside. Everything is wrapped separately, it looks like. Okay, so we got a spinner with some colors on it. And let's see, what else? Oh, these are a little bit smaller than I expected, but these are the alphabet cards with picture on one side and then the letter on the other side. Let's open these and check them out. So here's alligator, and then we got A on the back, upper and lowercase, which is nice, and it goes through the whole alphabet here. Let's just take a little peek. We got cute little bumblebee. Oh, and the letters are a different color, it looks like. This one was red, and this one is B. I mean, what am I saying? Blue. B for blue, right? And you could have students trace these with dry erase markers. All right, what else we got? We got cow. Oh, door. That's nice. Let's see, did they make a pattern with the colors? Oh no. For some reason, C, D, and B are all blue, but A was red. I wonder if that's a vowel thing. Well, let's find out here. We got an egg for E. Oh, yep. Bet you it is, because look, E is red also. Okay, we got a fork. Goat. Heart. And, ooh, an igloo. I like that for the short I sound. And we got jam. These are nice pictures. Very clear and concise. No words to kind of, you know, clutter the picture, which is good. And purple, my favorite. Ooh, a leaf. We got moon. A net. And octopus. Ooh, pizza. Very nice. Oh, wait a second here. A princess, or is that a queen? Queen, of course, because we just did pizza. Okay. A rainbow. We got a sock. And a tooth. An umbrella. Oh, and U was also red. Oh, I think I missed I. Better double check. Yep. I was also red. And we got a van for V. This is good vocabulary. Oh, nice. Watch for W. And we got X-ray. This is like pretty much the one picture that you'll see for X most of the time. But what I do like about it is this is like the true X sound, where if you show kids a picture of a xylophone, that's a little confusing because they're learning it as the X sound versus the, you know, making the Y, the Z, like the Z sound. Okay. Anyways, then we got a yo-yo and a zipper. Okay, we're back to the alligator. So those are the alphabet cards that they can trace or match letters to. And then, of course, I think we have in here the letters. Oh my, these are small, but here we go. These are lowercase, I believe. Yeah. So, and it comes with a string for them to there are holes in each letter that they can thread these through. So let's see how that will work. Okay, we got nice, it's kind of like a shoelace, which is good. Make it easier to thread through. So let's try that out. Oh boy, this is going to be a little difficult, I think. The hole is tiny. Well, it does work. You just have to use a little extra push. There we go. So that's fun. You can string the letters here, which is, you know, good fine motor. And then let's see, we still have some more stuff in here. Let's see what else we got. We have an uppercase set of letters with string as well. Let's see if uppercase is any easier to thread. Looks like they're about the same size almost. Let's give a little comparison here. Pretty close. All right, here's the string. Okay, so we got the little holes here. I'm kind of curious to see how this is going to go with my students. This is a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but you never know until you get it sometimes, right? All right, so let's see if we can push this through this M here. Again, you have to give it a little extra nudge. Oh, wow. Kind of stuck on that third hole. Gotta kind of wiggle it till we get it in the right spot here. Ooh. Oh, that's tricky. Wow. Try it from this other side and see. Wow, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it through there. Not exactly lined up with the other two, I think, but well, let's try a different letter, huh? All right, how about try one with only one hole, see if that's easier. Got uppercase I here. That should be more easy. Let's see. There we go. See how easy that went through? As I said that. Okay, there we go. All right, let's try one more just to see. Here's W. Let's see if W is any easier, huh? All right. Try it this way. Yeah, that was much easier than the M. I don't know. Maybe the holes are just funny. Might have to see if I can do something about that. But anyways, so we got the uppercase and lowercase with their string. And there are a few more things in here. So let's keep going. We have some pages, activity pages. So we got, you can, you know, obviously you could laminate these or you could make copies. And then this one is color all the letters in your name. Okay, and you can have them kind of match the letters to the paper too. Let's see how that would look. We got an N, and they could lay the letter right on the page there. What else do we got in here? Let's see, matching letters. Draw the line from uppercase to lowercase. Again, you could, there's no N on this page, but you could, you know, lay the letters down that way and match them. We got the whole alphabet for matching uppercase and lowercase. And then we have, oh, these are two-sided. Huh. On the back of this one, we have some fun paint cans, and you're supposed to fill in the missing uppercase letters. That's kind of fun. Again, depending on their skill level, you could have them write those missing letters in, or again, you could use these plastic letters that this activity set came with. Okay, this is beginning sounds. So matching uppercase letter to the beginning sound of the pictures. More beginning sounds. That's nice. These are nice graphics on here. Oh, this one is fun too. This is, we got some trains. Fill in the missing letter. Let's see what's on the back. Oh, this is practicing writing. Now this is kind of small. I don't know if I would necessarily have 3 to 5-year-olds try and write this small. So you'd probably have to blow this page up a little bit so they'd have more space. Okay, we got uppercase practicing writing. Find in color. A should be purple, uppercase A, lowercase should be red. More find in color. Okay. Okay, let's back to the beginning. Oh, this is, I missed this one. My name has how many letters? My first letter is, my last letter is, and circle the letters in your name. Okay, and this spinner, I believe, is for a game you could play, and there are still directions in here. So let's see, we have, oh, our activity guide. Some activities. Tells you different ways to use the product. I want to see what are we supposed to do with the spinner, so let's check that out. Spin and find an uppercase letter that matches the color on the spinner. Oh, okay, so you would spin. Okay, I got green. Let me look at my letters here for a green one. Oops. And here we go, we got green. So that's kind of fun. Okay, have the child spell their name on the string. Make a pile of uppercase letters and another pile of lowercase. It says near the end of pre-K, you could also have them work on spelling, you know, simple words like mom or dad, which is nice. Okay, and then this game involves the cards. It says set the cards down, picture side up. Think of the letter that the image starts with, and then find the matching uppercase and lowercase letters. Turn the card over to check your answer. There you go. So that could be like a self-check game that you could do in a center. And then, of course, I talked about you could have them practice tracing. All right, so that pretty much covers everything that was in the box. I would be careful if you decide to get this. These pieces are pretty small, so if you have any kiddos still putting things in their mouth, you want to make sure and keep an eye on them while they're playing with these. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. All right, unboxing take 2. Got interrupted by a phone call. Just give a little reminder that you should test this in a corner before you actually trace it, you know, with whichever kind of dry erase marker you use. Try it in the corner first to make sure it's going to erase. Although I do know a trick if you're having trouble getting your dry erase markers to erase. A trick is that you color over it with permanent marker. I hope I'm saying that right. That's not right. I can't remember. I thought, okay, so, and I'll see you in the next video.